Hello guys, this video is going to explain to you how to add a traffic source if you're using FlexOffer affiliate network. I searched Gemini and so many other places and I wasn't able to find the right answer. So I went to the FlexOffer help website, and here's screenshots of everything you need to add a new traffic source. I've been using YouTube as my primary traffic source, but now I'm using IG, or actually I want to add IG, Instagram, because my Instagram followers are I'm basically passing 300,000 on Instagram and 200,000 on Facebook. So just watch this article if you're interested in adding a traffic source to FlexOffer. And if you want to make some money online, I've been doing this for many years and I make really good money online. The program that I use, it's with Tony Robbins and Dean Graciosi. It's called The Mastermind. The link's going to be below this video, and it's no fluff, just proven strategy that turns ideas into income. Best of luck. Text keyword, or I'm sorry, comment keyword below this video, and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you, and let's make some money.
This is the official FlexOffers help article as of November 2025 that explains exactly how to add, edit, or delete a traffic source in your publisher account, including Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, websites, email lists, etc. Here's a simple, clear explanation of everything shown in these screenshots. Why traffic sources matter. FlexOffers requires you to get every promotional platform, website, Instagram, email list, etc., approved before you can use affiliate links from that platform. This protects advertisers and ensures compliance. How to add a traffic source, e.g., your Instagram. Follow these exact steps from the article. 1. Log into your FlexOffers dashboard. Click Account, top menu. Click Traffic Sources. 2. Click the blue Add Traffic Source button, top right. 3. Choose the correct type from the drop-down. 4. For Instagram, select Social Media. 5. Other common ones, my website, my email lists, ads that I buy, etc. Fill in the form. Give it a clear name, e.g. Instagram at eMarketoOcean. Put your full Instagram URL, https://www.instagram.com at eMarketoOcean. Write a short description of your audience and how you'll promote, e.g. 15K followers in digital marketing niche. Promote via stories, reels, and bio link. Click Submit Traffic Source, blue button. If it's a website, they sometimes ask you to verify ownership. For Instagram, they usually just review it manually. Wait 1 to 2 business days. You'll get an email when it's approved. Most social media accounts get approved quickly. Once approved, you can start applying to advertiser programs using that Instagram account as your traffic source. Editing a traffic source. Go back to Account, Traffic Sources. Find the one you want to change. Click the pencil edit icon. Make changes, e.g. update follower count or description. Save and resubmit for reapproval. Deleting a traffic source. Only do this if you're 100% sure you cannot undo it. Check the trash delete icon. Confirm yes. Warning, any active campaigns or links tied to it will stop working. The list of traffic source types, bottom of the page. This is very useful. Here are the exact options you'll see in the dropdown. My website, your blog or site, ads that I buy, Google ads, FB ads, native ads, etc. My software application, if you have an app, my email lists, your own subscriber list, my own network, if you own other sites' publishers, social media. This is the one you want for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter X, etc. Another source, catch-all for anything else, explain in detail. So, for your Instagram, at eMarketoOcean, always pick social media. Key takeaways for you right now. Use social media as the type. Put your real IG URL and an honest description. Approval is usually fast, often same or next business day. After it's approved, apply to individual advertisers and mention you'll promote on Instagram. That's literally everything in those screenshots, explained in plain English. You're ready to add your Instagram now. Just follow steps 1 to 7 above, and you'll be good to go. Let me know if you hit any error when submitting, and I'll help troubleshoot.
Hi there. If you've been wanting to start making money online, there has truly never been a better moment than right now. We are living in the AI era, a time where technology is opening doors for everyday people to create real income from home. Without needing tech skills, complicated tools, or a huge budget. And here's something most people don't realize. This is the most affordable, all-in-one platform available online today. You don't need to buy extra tools. You don't need expensive upsells. You don't need to stack on different software just to get started. Everything you need is included in one simple system. Not only is it affordable, but you can also cancel anytime, which means you're never locked into anything. And with the full money back guarantee, this truly comes with zero risk. You can try it, learn it, use it, and if it's not a fit, you get your money back, no questions asked. And remember, this is the AI era. When you master the tools inside this platform, the income can begin to flow almost on autopilot. The system gives you automations, templates, training, and proven step-by-step strategies that continue working even when you're not. Here's the real kicker. Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi have over 70 years of combined experience, which makes everyone else in the field look like rookies. Think about it this way. If you wanted to learn boxing, would you choose just anyone? Of course not. You'd want to learn from the best in the world, like Mike Tyson. So why settle for anything less when you can learn from the heavy punchers and undefeated champs of the online income world? These two have spent decades helping millions of people transform their lives and build real, lasting income. So if you're ready to finally create the change you've always wanted, if you're tired of waiting, if you're tired of watching opportunities pass you by, then don't wait another day. This is the most trusted, most affordable, zero risk opportunity to finally start making money online. The time is now. The difference you've always wanted starts with one step. Let's make it happen. Don't forget to share this with friends who are looking to quit their 9 to 5 grind. Like and comment below, and be sure to check out the link in the video description for all the details. Thank you and best of luck. If you have any questions, just text keyword to 91044765008.